What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. We're jumping right back into our Rustoleum Custom Mix series today. I've got some awesome Rustoleum colors. I got a fender prepped up behind me. We're going to be two-toning it and shooting a crazy new pearl over top. And then you guys get to rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. And you guys can rate it anywhere in between. The two Rustoleum colors that we're going to be shooting over this fender today are gloss black and ginger yellow. And hey, the pearl we're going to be doing is Imperial Gold from Eyecandy. It's a really cool, almost a darker mustard type pearl, but very metallic. And I think it'll really make it look like almost like a really metallic candy effect over the yellow. And over the black, I don't really know. It's a wild card. I just chose it because I want to see the extreme ends of what this pearl can do. You just really never know till you spray it out. And that's the whole point in these videos, just to have fun with it and see what we get. So without further ado, we're going to get the two-tone in this fender behind me, shooting some Eyecandy pigment over top of it, and see if we can't create something cool today, guys. So let's get into it. Guys, so I got my fender two-tone behind me, yellow and gloss black. I've got my speedo coat here today. It mixes 4 to 1, 4 parts clear, 1 part activator. It's medium temps, about 75 degrees out, so not too bad. I've went ahead and put 5 ounces total in the mix, 4 ounces of the clear, 1 ounce of the activator. And we're going to step over to this Eyecandy Pigments Imperial Gold, guys. See what this stuff will do. This is going to be kind of fun and interesting today, because you know me, if you know my past spray outs and stuff, I love anything with gold in it. That's one of the prettiest pearls to me. So for this experiment today though, I'm going to try to get, let's get half a teaspoon of this stuff. That looks good. I'm going to dump that in the mix, and I'll bring you guys in close so you can see the mix. Alright guys, so Eyecandy Imperial Gold, here it is in all its glory. It is definitely gold, guys, and in the mix, very gold as well. As we get started mixing it up, it's a very honey-like color to me, but I do see a little bit of variations of gold in there, and I guess that's where the Imperial comes in. If I stop real quick, you can kind of see how it has a little bit of darkness to it, but also a little bit of lightness. So it goes back and forth, and it's going to be interesting over this yellow and this gloss black. I'm excited. Let's let up our gun, and let's get it spraying. Alright guys, so I got my Imperial Gold loaded up in the mix if I don't make an absolute mess with it. Did y'all see that? Anyways, 1.4 tip on this VBOR gun. I shoot a 28 PSI wide open trigger. If you want to replicate my settings, I'm going to do a light coat on this first, followed up by 2 medium coats, maybe another coat if I got enough clear left over. And then we're going to take it out in the sun, hopefully, and see what it looks like. So make sure your lid is on very good, and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so Imperial Gold over Gloss Black and Ginger Yellow. Now this is an interesting one. Man, that yellow is so bright that it is almost ridiculously hard on camera to pick up that pigment, but I'm trying. You can see it at angles, but you can see the sparkle to it, guys, but it is hard to pick up on camera, especially with such a bright yellow. But it is there, and it does look pretty cool. And then over this black, well, man, it just has a little bit of everything in it. Little greens, little yellows. You back off, you kind of turn at an angle, it gets darker. I mean, it's an interesting one, guys, for sure. What do you guys think? Alright guys, this is a spray out today. Imperial Gold with a gloss yellow and a gloss black. Now, very, very interesting combination. Over the yellow, obviously, it has a lot of sparkle to it. I know you probably didn't see it as great on camera, and it's because yellow is such a bright color. And then over the black, you see it. I mean, you see how much pigment is on top of this versus on top of this. It's exactly the same, guys. I ended up doing 3 coats. And yeah, it's a beautiful color nonetheless on both sides, in my opinion. But it ain't up to me, guys. It's up to you. Rate it 1 through 5. 1, it's just not for you. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. And where can I get it, right? So if you decide you want to buy anything you saw me use today, the pearls, the clear, the paint gun, anything, guys, the links will be in the description. That's it on YouTube. Takes you to my Amazon store. You can purchase stuff there. Doesn't cost you guys anything extra, but we do get a small kickback, and you get Amazon Prime and everything else. If you made it this far in the video, drop me a like, drop me a comment, let me know how I'm doing. And if you don't mind, take a second, pop that subscribe button, guys, because we are trying to get to 10K as fast as I can. But only with y'all guys' help can I get it done. But also hit the bell notifications. We got episodes dropping constantly, so you're not going to miss one. You never know what color combination will come out. Might be something you want to see. And yeah, if you decide you want to go back in the series, we got 60 plus episodes, and I've been doing this for quite a while now, so it's a lot of fun, but it's a lot of work. That's why I need your subscription. But anyways, guys, enough yapping for me. I appreciate you guys for watching today. I hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next spray out.